Camera shy? Today's your lucky day. I'll show you how to bring your words to life with a talking avatar in Canva AI. Fast. Step 1. Launch the platform, web or desktop. It's free either way. Step 2. Log in or register. Use Gmail, Facebook, or your Windows account. Pick what fits, personal or small business. You can change it later in settings. Skip Pro for now. The free version works for this tutorial. Step 3. Go to video. Choose 16:9 for rich visuals. Name it Talking Avatar. Open apps, search HeyGen, click Connect, and sign in. Pick an avatar and a rectangular view mode. Add your script or upload audio. Need help? Generate copy with ChatGPT. Choose the accent closest to yours, preview, then click Generate. Give it a moment to process. Click Add to Design. Right-click, set video as background, then play it back. Use Edit Video, Adjust and Filters for quick enhancements. Add a design theme and tweak placement to match your vision. Ready? Share, download MP4. Note: free HeyGen limits you to short videos, credits apply. Tip: in My Apps, remove HeyGen. Search it again and sign up with a temporary email via a site like Temp Mail. If needed, re-log into Canva with that temp email. Monetize with tutorial videos. Share a great recipe on YouTube. Create infographics in your niche. Sell videos to small businesses or use affiliate links. Questions? Comment below and subscribe for more.